So here's the car that I was working on. This is the car I put the timing chain in and the oil pump as well. So it's all completed. The job is done. You see I got everything back together. I will start it up in a minute. The only problem is when I got everything back up and running again, it was running fine. It still makes a rattling sound, which apparently is not related to the timing chain. So I'm still trying to figure out what that is. So you can see everything's been put back in. I also swapped out the throttle body. I didn't make a video for it, but if you look right here, you can see this is this is bent right here. It's supposed to be straight. It's kind of bent at an angle. The reason why is because I pulled that off of a car that was in an accident, and the throttle body itself seems to be in good shape, but this little piece just got a little bent. I swapped out the throttle body because I was getting a trouble code for that earlier, and it didn't really seem to change anything. The trouble code didn't pop back up yet, but it also doesn't seem to be running any better or more efficiently. So I cleaned it out and put that in. Look over here. As far as the when I put everything back together, here's the power steering pump. I had that laying off to the side over here and down here. And what happened was it kind of leaked. I didn't realize it was going to leak. So there was like a little bit of power steering fluid dripping down the side of the car when I was done. But other than that, I just kind of sprayed it off and cleaned it off. But there are no other leaks. Everything seems to be okay. It did make a little bit of a rubbing sound at first, but that seems to have dissipated. So I'm going to go over here. You have to excuse the mess on the car. There's a lot of pollen. I actually washed this car 2 weeks ago, and it looked really clean. Now it's just got pollen all over it. So anyway, go inside. So give me a second here while I start it up. Okay. So you can hear the engine. If you listen, you can hear like a little bit of a rattling sound. So, like I said, I'm not sure where that's coming from exactly, but the timing chain seems to be okay. It almost sounds like it might be coming from under the engine. Could be what I'm afraid it might be is the catalytic converter. It might be a cheap catalytic converter, but that's just a guess at this point. I've seen cheap catalytic converters come apart on the inside, and they start making a little bit of a rattling sound like that. But at this point, I'm not sure what it is. But as you can see, otherwise it seems to be running fine. I will say this car is not as fast as some of the other cars I have here, but I think it might just be, might be a little worn out. So this is my Challenger in the back. I have another video with my Challenger in it. It's an older video from about 4 years ago. So here's the car. What I will do is I'll probably take it for a little test drive, and I'll make a video of me driving it around so you can see what it looks like. But like I said, right now it seems to be running fine. Just excuse the pollen. There's just pollen all over this thing. It's dirty as hell. So let me get back inside the car for a second. Hear it rev up. So I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a that's the rattling sound is there. Seems to be running fine though, otherwise. So let me go on It just cleared. I think it's got a lot of miles. It just cleared 189,000 miles about 11 miles ago. So it's got a lot of miles on it now. Alrighty. I'm going to turn this off. And like I said, I'll try to make another video with a test drive on it so you can see we can see how it runs. All right. There you go. Hey, thanks for watching.